here is your first look at the Medicom toy Nike SB Dunk. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing and a review of the latest sneaker pickup that I have, and as you can probably tell by the title of this video and the thumbnail, it is the 2020 Medicom toy Nike SB Dunk. And wow, I'm actually a really big fan of this shoe. So on the side here is the label. It comes in that classic multicolored Nike SB box, and the label says Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS black, white. And I got this in my true to size UK 9, as I am in all dunks. So you've probably seen this box a million times, but now we'll open it up and take a look at the shoes. But firstly, I'd like to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is Legitmark. And they are the standard for sneaker authentication, and they're the place to go when you need your sneakers authenticated, especially for expensive shoes like this. So check them out in the link in the description. So I'm interrupting this video because not only is this video sponsored by Legitmark, but they have in fact asked me to give away a pair of Yeezy 350 V2s. So this pair is in a giveaway with Legitmark. It is a size UK 9 and it already has been legit checked by Legitmark and is 100% authentic. So you could win this pair. All you have to do is follow the instructions in this Instagram post, which is on my Instagram. There's also instructions in the description of this video. So good luck, you could win this pair of Yeezy Zions. So we open up the box. There's obviously the receipt. And here is your first look at the Medicom toy Nike SB Dunk. Wow, these are nice. So here is the shoe itself. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Do you like it? Hopefully it's showing up. I realized I didn't really wear the correct outfit to show off this shoe because it's black on black. However, I really hope the lighting and everything is doing these shoes justice because they are spectacular. So the first thing to note about these shoes, and probably the most obvious thing about them, is the actual upper material is that, once again, just like on the Ben & Jerry's Dunks, is that kind of fur material. But this one I much prefer, mainly because the Ben & Jerry Dunks are a bit loud, bit out there, a bit too much for me. But these are an all black colorway with that slight hint of cream just on the Nike embroidery on the back. Straight out of the box, the way this fur is actually, I'd say, brushed or combed is very nice indeed. It doesn't stick out too much. It's not too furry like the Grateful Dead's to me are. They are an ugly shoe and I just can't ever go near them. But this is actually gives off that kind of classy vibe as well. I'm not a true skater, however, these shoes really are nice. And I can imagine if you skate in them and you actually wear down that material, they will look even better when they're used. So my memory stick was full halfway through this video, so I have no idea what I recorded, so I'm pretty much starting again. So you have the choice on this sneaker. So you have the standard black laces that come already laced in the shoe, which blend in perfectly with the upper, pretty much can't really see them. Or you have the choice of a spare set of white laces, which weirdly enough, they've actually attached them straight directly to the laces. Not really too sure why they've done that. Also on the end of the laces there is a gold tip, which I think looks really good as well. Adds a little bit of class to the shoe. Like I said before, if you spin the shoe around, you have that cream fur on the back with the Nike embroidery practically in the same color, which blends in well. And I think these two colors work really well together. Then you have the white sole I have nothing against this. I think it would look really cool if it was all black and then you have that grey sole. But I think if the upper part of the sole had been black, I think that would have made it look a little bit better. However, it goes well with the white laces when you have that white sole as well. So these are kind of inspired by Medicom's famous figurine, the Bearbrick. So as you can see on the tongue, they have the @Bearbrick symbol on the top, and then the same on the side. The symbol is embroidered into the heel, which I really like, and anyone who knows anything about my channel, I'm a big fan of embroidery, so this is really nice indeed. I'm actually really looking forward to some of the photos that will come out from the shoe when it's been worn. You can actually see the fur material being worn and actually having some character to the shoe. I will be a big fan of that. I'm probably, I don't know if I'm going to wear them. I do really like them, and it's probably my favorite dunk pickup of the year, but I don't know if I can wear them because I actually think the price is going to go really high. But they are a really nice shoe. So I will now just give you some b-roll of the shoe so you can check it out. But thank you very much for watching. This was just a short review, and I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments if you picked it up, because I know they were crazy limited. The store near me only got a few pairs, and I think the price is going to go up when people realize how limited they are. I think what would have been cool to add as a little accessory is a tiny Bearbrick which comes with the shoe. I'm not really too sure why they did this. Maybe even if they'd done a special edition and they'd actually provided that, I think that would have been cool. But you can't win everything, I guess. I will be posting this photo here on my Instagram, which is showing the collection of dunks that I've picked up pretty much over the last few months. And yeah, they're going crazy in price right now, and the hype is absolutely massive. Let me know if you pick these up and what you're planning to do with them. I haven't fully decided yet, but I will let you know in my Instagram. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.